Hi, my full name is Aktiban Kiban Sadish Kumar. My student ID is ST20 33 55 and 19. My topic is design and analysis of CPU process scheduling algorithm for operating systems. Yeah, here is an agenda. In this presentation, examination CPU scheduling algorithm is modern system that impact on efficient CPU sharing. Traditional methods like first come first serve, SJF, STR, round robin, and priority scheduling offers strengths, but also suffers from issues such as starvation and poor responsibilities. To overcome these limitations, the project proposes a hybrid priority round robin schedule with an agent and uh, dynamic time content adjustment to improve the fairness, responsibility, and all over system performance. Here is an abstract. In this presentation is organized with the 6 sections, beginning with an introduction to importance of the CPU scheduling in operating system. It then provides a literature review summarizing the strength and limitation of the classic scheduling algorithm. Next, the proposed hybrid scheduling solution is presented, followed by a block diagram and flowchart explaining the system. The presentation conclusion with the expected next step and further works. Here is an introduction. Scheduling is a critical operating system function that determines which process the executive at the given time to ensure fairness, responsiveness, and minimal waiting. System performance is evaluated through the metrics like waiting time, turnaround time, response time, throughput, and CPU, at least all of which can suffer under poor scheduling. With modern workshop range from batch task to interactive applications. Selecting at a effective scheduling method is essential. This project explores classic algorithm, identifies their limitations, and proposes and improves hybrid approach for mixed workload. Yeah, here is a problem definition. In this project addresses the limitation of classic CPU scheduling method, which struggles with an unpredictable and diverse workload. First come first serve can causes long waits. Uh, SJF requires accurate burst prediction. RR depends the highly to fixed time quantum and priority scheduling risks and strategy without gaining as modern system handling mixed interactive and batch processes strategic politics fails to adapt effectively. Therefore, a hybrid adaptive scheduling approach is needed to improve effectively fairness and responsiveness. Yeah, here is the literature review. The classic scheduling algorithm for each benefit, but also faces issues in first come first serve, causes convey delay, short job first, and shortened remaining first time risk salvation on rely on the burst time accuracy. Round robin is sensitive to time content choice, and priority scheduling can stray lower priority task, highlighting the needs for the more balanced scheduling approach. Yeah, here is a literature review identifying gaps. Uh, Here, the scheduling method for each first come first serve lacks responsibility, risk, strategy, and need accuracy. Rotation round robin depends on the fixed quantum predictive. Scheduling becomes unfair without gaining a primitive methods on overhead, making a hybrid adaptive approach for necessary for modern fixed workloads. Yeah, here is a proposed solution hybrid scheduling algorithm. Uh, the priority scheduling with the round robin using priority classes, gaining the prevent strategy and the dynamic times quantum that adapt to system load, ultimately providing more balanced, fair, and efficient solution than classic methods. Yeah, here is a block diagram. You can find the block diagram here, right side. Uh, the block diagram illustrates the hybrid scheduling mode where processes enters the input queries receiving dynamic updates priorities with gaining move to the ready query grouping by priority undergoes round robin with the highest priority group gets dispatched to the CPU, and then they either exit or return to the ready queries after state updates. It ensures adaptive and effective scheduling. Yeah, here is the flowchart outline that hybrids the scheduling logic in which new task enters into the input query, receiving the priority again, gaining and grouped into the new query, scheduled by selecting the highest priority group and using round robin when needed with a dynamic time quantum. It dispatches the CPU adapted after scheduling and either removed or returned to ready query until the process is finished. Yeah, here is the conclusion page. In conclusion, classic scheduling algorithm struggles with the diversity workload due to issues like long wait strategy, poor responsiveness, and high overhead, where the proposed high approach the combination priority scheduling round robin and the dynamic quantum adjustment aim to improve fairness, performance, and adaptability with the future works involving like Python implementation, simulation, and confirmation gaining traditional method using key performance metrics. Yeah, here is a reference. Here I have mentioned six reference which include standard operating system textbooks and recent research articles uh, that supporting the analytics of the hybrid approach. They establish academic predictability for the literature review and help guide to the development for the proposed solutions. Yeah, finally that's it about my project. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.